Hi, welcome back to our feature videos for our apps. Today we're going to talk about our Slideshow app. This is a great app to use when you want to show a lot of content, but only create one slide. So on the left-hand side, we're going to choose Slideshow. Now it's going to open up my image folder first. And in my image folder, I have several different folders in there, and I'm choosing the nature scenes. Those are the ones that I want to show. Notice I have 13 pictures in here, and I'll talk about why I want to make this a point. Okay, so we're going to use current folder, and you'll notice that the pictures are going to show up. If you take these handles, you can stretch them out. In this particular slide, they become a focused image that we want to show. On the left-hand side, you'll notice we have the timing set for 3 seconds, and it's because I want this to go really quickly for this training video. You can choose the playback order however you wish, whether they're old, new, or alphabetical. You can make these transparent for a watermark background. We can also give this a border color, which I'm going to choose white for my border color. And then our transition animation, you can choose fade, which looks very lovely with the images. They softly come in and out. You can do the horizontal, and you can also do a vertical transition as well. Whatever works best in your application. We're going to go back to fade. And then underneath the transition, we have a way to style those images. And I'm just going to pick a floating style. And what that does is it creates a little shadow underneath those images, so it makes it look more 3D. From here, I can also have this fly in from the left when the slide opens up. Then my slide animation will pop onto the page. If I click this animation button here, you'll see it pop in. And then it will continue to go ahead and play each of those pictures that we chose. From here, you can design your content that is going to speak about those images. What I wanted to mention was I have 13 pictures, and they're running at 3 seconds apiece, which means this slide is going to be about 39 seconds long. However, you have to change that in your playlist animation and make it 39 seconds if that's how long you want it to play. However, if you make your edit playback durations to be its default at 15 or 20 seconds, it's only going to play the images that will go up to that time frame. And then the next time this slide loads up, it'll continue to play the remainder of those pictures. So it's not just going to stop and never play those pictures. It'll just come around again in another loop. So that is the image category. On the left-hand side, I'm going to X out of our image folder, and we're going to open up our video folder. And here I chose 4 different videos to also show. And I got these videos from Pexels, Pexels.com. And it's a royalty-free and free-to-use videos that you can use. On the left-hand side, if you want to, you can turn up the volume here. You can also choose your playback order, your transparency, and your border size. I kept our border being white. And then again, go through your transition animation. Do you want it to fade in? Do you want them to rotate? If you double click on your video, you'll notice it's going to go full screen. And from here, you want to take out that border, and we want to stretch that video so it goes full screen. Now you can use this as a background if you want, or if you are going to feature something full screen, you can go full screen like this too. Okay, so I just decreased the size of our videos again. I'm going to give it back our little frame that we have. And those are the properties for the slideshow. Thank you for coming to watch, and stay tuned for additional apps.